In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a strip to your workspace canvas layout in Wix Editor. To get started, open your workspace canvas layout inside the Wix Editor using Google Chrome. Make sure the editor is fully loaded before you begin, so all of the tools and layout options are available and responsive. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to look over the workspace. The main canvas is where your page content is built, and the toolbar on the left side is where you'll find the design elements you can add to your site. Next, move to the left side workspace toolbar and click the Add Elements button, which is marked with a plus symbol. This is the main panel for inserting new content and layout features into your page. When you click it, a menu will open showing different categories of elements that can be added to the canvas. This is where Wix groups items like text, images, buttons, and layout sections, making it easier to find exactly what you need. From that category list, click on Strip. A strip is a wide container element that stretches across the page and is often used to organize content into clearly separated horizontal sections. It's especially useful when you want to create a clean, structured layout or highlight a certain part of the page, such as a banner, feature area, or visual content block. After opening the strip category, you'll see a selection of preset strip styles. These presets help speed up the design process by giving you ready-made container options with different looks and layouts. Browse through the available choices and select the preset style container that best matches the design you want for your page. When you click your preferred option, it will be added directly onto your workspace canvas layout. As you choose your strip style, keep your page structure in mind. A simpler preset may work best if you want flexibility for custom content later, while a more designed preset can save time if it already matches the look you're aiming for. The key is to pick the option that supports your layout without making the page feel overcrowded. Once the strip is added, you'll be ready to continue building and customizing that section within your Wix page. This is a quick but important step in shaping the overall structure of your site, and using strips effectively can make your design feel much more organized and professional.